Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, looking at fast, efficient, and profitable ways to work with foam, eliminating the time it would take for taping. Easy, just take a small piece of foam. Using your pan melt glue. So this is the glue that you melt inside of a frying pan. Just dip it in, getting the bottom coated, then placing it right down into the container. It will bond directly to. Now I'm using a plastic plate, which is perfect because they come in a number of different colors. You can choose what works best with your party. Also, it comes in different sizes, as you can see, the 9-inch and the 6-inch. Then once that dries, it'll be solidly adhered to the plastic, and you can just take that, set it right into the water mixed with flower food, let it soak, take it back out. It's ready for designing. Here I used it with the larger plate, one small piece of foam, same size, flowers placed in, no tape to show anywhere, and easy to deliver because it's adhered perfectly. Now you know the pro technique.